So the Air Max sneakers, one of Nike's most popular lifestyle / running shoes that they produce. And for the most part, it's kind of retained its unique look and feel and characteristics. But in 2022, Nike have decided to completely flip the script and release a brand new iteration of the Nike Air Max sneaker. Now, I've only ever seen pictures online of this, so I'm really happy to have this in hand. I can't wait to check out the details. And for this release, Nike have also switched up the shipping box. So it should be an interesting review. So let's check it out. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out and unboxing the Nike Air Max Scorpion. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel and like all kinds of content related to sneaker culture, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out the latest iteration of the Nike Air Max silhouette, and that is the Nike Air Max Scorpion. So this sneaker dropped earlier this month for a retail, quite high retail of £224.95 here in the UK, or $250 out in the US. And for me, it was a fairly easy cop. I think obviously the high price point and obviously the quite unique look of this sneaker meant that I was able to get it in my size, no real issues. And now I have it in hand. I've also noticed that there's unique packaging and a unique shipping box. So I'm keen to unbox this sneaker and actually see what we have inside. So let's check it out. So this is the shipping box that Nike sent this to me in. And it's completely different from a regular Nike shipping box, which looks like this. So this box is unique because obviously it's completely different to regular Nike shipping boxes, and I do believe in the US they actually did ship these sneakers with no box at all. So this is a way of Nike, you know, reducing their packaging and obviously trying to reduce their carbon footprint. And you see nods to that on the box itself. So you have growing together, and obviously we know e-commerce orders have a carbon impact. So they're basically looking to reduce the amount of packaging. Now, is this a good thing or bad thing? I'm not sure, because obviously double boxing does help, because obviously it protects the sneaker when it's shipped, and obviously less likely for it to be stolen or go missing. So as I said, you just got a couple of bits writing on here, and on here you just got where all athletes belong. So let's pop this open. Peel this back. Alright, so take this out. So here we have the second box, and again it's a bit like, this is completely plain, nothing at all in the sneaker. But you do have the size tag on the front, and it reads Nike Air Max Scorpion FK for Flyknit, and the colourway is Phantom Black Light Cream, and it's my true size UK 13, US 14. As I mentioned, in the US, I believe the shipping box was just this, so you would just have your shipping label on the top. But at least in the UK, they did actually double box it, so slight bit more protection. So on the side, we just got a pull tab, so we pull this. So we'll pop the lid. Okay. Inside, it says, we're working to ditch the double box and ship shoes in a single shoebox made with at least 90% recycled content. So, as you can see, literally, this is the shoebox. So, this is very different because a lot of my sneakers have unique packaging and unique shoeboxes. But by Nike actually reducing the shoebox completely, you know, there's pros and cons to that, I feel. But yeah, anyway. So inside we just have packaging. We just have standard tissue paper, nothing like this. Now let's check out these sneakers. Okay. Wow. So this is the Nike Air Max Scorpion. Okay. This is quite insane, to be quite honest with you. Jesus. Now to be fair, I'm probably the only YouTuber you're going to see with a shoe that big, because that's very large. Look at the size of that. Jeez. Wow. Okay, well I was not expecting this. I mean, the first thing you're going to see is this ridiculous like outsole and midsole. I mean, I'm a tall guy, I'm like 6'6". If I put this on, I'm probably like 6'7", 6'8". That's insane. I'm probably going to be out of frame in this shot. Alright, so starting on the outsole, you have this unique gel. How do I describe this? So you have different shapings going through the outsole, and then you have tread patterns at the top right here in this kind of beige greyish colour up here, and then obviously a clear outsole right here, and you can see there's some speckles on this. Obviously that's the recycled material right there. If you turn to the side, the outsole then obviously molds into the midsole, and there's no give in this. I mean, there's a little bit of give, but not much. So this then molds obviously below bottom of the upper. So as we go up, we've then got this kind of felt material at the base of the upper right here that goes all the way around the sneaker. Then we come to the upper itself. So this is the Flyknit material right here, and that makes up the majority of the upper. And as we go up to the top of the upper, you've then got this kind of almost like carpet material, which houses the lace hoops, as you can see right here going up the sneaker. We turn to the toe box. You've got the Flyknit element obviously going up the top of the toe box right here, and then you've got a plastic Nike swoosh right here in the middle, to the side, you can see right there. And then as we go up the upper, you've got this same carpet material going up. You then get this piece of plastic in 3 parts going up the upper as well. Top of the tongue, you've got the Air Max in dots right here, as you can see. So AIRMAX in black, right, in black dots right there. So that's quite interesting. We take a look at the laces themselves. So they're thin laces, and as I said, they go through each of these lace holes right here. But again, this tongue feels quite light, so that's quite interesting. Back of the tongue, you've got the sizing information right there. So just for information, these were manufactured between January and April of this year. So it is a new silhouette. As we go inside the sock liner, it's kind of light inside. On the back of the sneaker, you've then got a bit of padding right here. You can see, so obviously that's where your heel's going to go. So obviously this is a running sneaker, so you're going to want to have that padding. And then as we go down the side, you've got a black swoosh kind of made out of different material along here, and then just these different lines that make up the swoosh. So again, quite interesting touch. Well, obviously what Nike are going for is more of a futuristic look, and you know, you definitely get that with this sneaker. Then on the back of the sneaker, you've got this yellow heel pull, and again in that carpet-like material. And you've got NIKE in again that black dots. So again, that's quite interesting. If you turn it that way, you'll see you've got NIKE. And to complete the sneaker in the side, you've just got cycled Nike swoosh logo right there. So again, this points to the recycled materials that are being used for this sneaker. The main characteristics of this obviously is the huge Air Max unit at the bottom. The left sneaker is exactly the same. It just has this hang tag. It just says made with at least 20% recycled content. Just going to try these on. So as you can see, I'm probably going to be out of frame right now, which is quite hilarious because they do give you extra height for sure. So if you're a short person, you definitely could buy these to obviously give you a bit of height boost. But certainly for me, you know, I'm tall enough as it is. I don't know if I need any additional height. So in terms of comfort, they don't feel that comfortable, to be honest. I mean, I'm just wearing them for a couple of minutes, and I can just feel the side of them digging in a little bit. And I have a couple of Air Max ones, and you just want it to be that comfy fit. So yeah, not really sure about these, to be honest. So as you can see, you know, they are a big shoe, obviously, on my foot, and yeah, they definitely do give a boost to your height. So if that's something you're interested in, then you may obviously want to pick these up. As you can see from the back, you know, they do fit. They do look quite nice on foot, but as I said, they do look rather large, especially for myself. So in terms of sizing, I'm true to size, and you know, that fits fine. Obviously, I do have a big foot as it is, so this does look quite chunky on foot. So that may be something to consider for this. It is a wide toe box as well. So I have a wide foot, but if you have a narrow foot, maybe you could go down half a size. But true to size works fine for me. So in terms of availability, there are still some pairs at retailers in the UK. I'll leave a list of those in the description. But you can also pick it up on StockX for about $2.55 right now in my size. So these are $2.24. So you're gonna make a little bit of money, like £25–30 double the retail price if you wanted to cop these. It is quite a unique sneaker, so you know, if it's something you are interested in getting, so you could definitely either pick that for retail or for at least a decent price. So yeah, definitely go and check that out. So what do you think of the sneaker? Let me know in the comment section down below. Is this something you're interested in? Or is this going to be a straight pass? For me, it's a tricky one because I do like sneaker, but I feel that with this huge air unit, you know, it's not something you can wear every day. It's definitely something you can only wear in certain scenarios, I feel. And also the high retail is definitely something that, you know, a lot of people will probably pass on, or they will use that money for a sneaker that is more wearable. For runners, I feel it could definitely be of benefit, but again, Nike are pushing the boat out here and kind of testing the market, I feel, with this sneaker. And I'm pretty sure there'll be other colorways coming, but you know, for me the colorway is nice, but I just feel that this huge air bubble is going to be a pass for me. But yeah, let me in the comment section down below what you think, and obviously I really appreciate the feedback. So thanks for checking the video. If you did enjoy this video and want to see more of this similar kind of sneaker content, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really will help the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.